let's explore the eSign registration process in eFile application. Navigate to the Register for Signing module in the left navigation panel and click to expand it. Click eSign Registration to access the eSign registration page. Locate and click Register eSign at the top right corner. Provide consents by ticking the checkboxes on the eSign agreement page and click OK. Once done, you will be redirected to eHastakshar service page. Enter either of your Aadhaar number or virtual ID. Click Get OTP to receive the one-time password on your mobile number that is registered with your Aadhaar number. You can ever refer to the footnote that provides hint with the last 4 digits of your mobile number to which OTP is sent. Provide the OTP. You can even click Resend OTP after waiting for a considerable amount of time if in case the OTP is not received. Alternatively, you can opt for Aadhaar TOTP authentication. Follow the link, How to generate TOTP to know more about it. Tick the consent checkbox and finally submit. Upon successful registration, a toast message confirms successfully registered and eSign certificate details will be listed in the eFile window. Click the information icon I to view eSign certificate details, including registered by and registered on date. It is important to note, once the eSign is registered, user is not required to re-enter the complete Aadhaar number or virtual ID. Every time a file, receipt, or a draft is required to be e-signed, user only needs to enter last 3 digits of the Aadhaar number and the UID token generated for this Aadhaar number at the time of registration will be used to carry the eSign authentication every time. We will see this in the next section. Now, you have successfully registered your eSign in the eFile application. Let's dive into how a user can sign receipt, file, draft and acknowledgement and mark them seamlessly. 1. Signing and sending a file and receipt. When you are ready to send a file, choose eSign and Send on the Send screen. To authenticate, enter last 3 digits of Aadhaar number and provide the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Click Submit to sign. A toast message will confirm that the file is sent and your note will contain your digital signature. Furthermore, to sign forwarding remarks on receipts using eSign, click on eSign and Send. Follow the steps to sign and click Submit. The digital signatures can be seen on the remarks added from the movement history of the receipt. 2. Draft and acknowledgement signing. The signing of drafts has been covered in the previous module of this course in detail. Also, signing acknowledgements against receipts follows same process as signing your approved drafts. Deregistration of eSign. If the user has retired, transferred from the organization, or in any case, deregistration or deactivation of eSign is required, go to Register for Signing module. Click on eSign Registration to open the Register eSign page. The registered eSign detail is visible here. Click the Deregister icon corresponding to the eSign. Provide an appropriate remark for deactivation and click OK. Well, that is all about eSign. Thank you.